Okay, when we deal with the equation that has fraction says we solve it by finding the LCD, which we can find by factoring the denominators of all the fractions. So here this is w plus 2 times w minus 2. We can factor this as w plus 3 times w minus 2, and this fraction on the right can be factored as w plus 4 times w plus 3. Okay, so now that we have this, we can read the LCD. It's given by so the LCD will be w plus 4 times w plus 3 times w minus 2. So we multiply by the LCD to get rid of all the denominators. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm gonna take this LCD and I'm gonna multiply the first fraction. Now when you guys multiply by the LCD, you want to keep the denominator in factor form. This makes the job a lot easier. Okay, so that's my first fraction. Now I'm gonna take my LCD, multiply by my second fraction, and as before I'm gonna keep the denominator factor. So we get this. Okay, and that's equal to on the right. My fraction is 3 divided by w plus 4 times w plus 3. Okay, and we need to multiply by the LCD. Okay, so multiply by the LCD will help us cancel this case this denominator, and my second fraction I can cross out x w plus 3 w minus 2, and the last on the right hand side I can cross out w plus 4 and w plus 3. Okay, and for the next line we need to multiply whatever is left. So here I have 5 and w plus 3, so I'm gonna multiply that here in the second fraction 1 times this, and here I'm gonna take 3 and multiply by w minus 2. So that will give us on the left that 5w plus 15 plus, and then 1 times w plus 4 is just w plus 4 equals when we multiply by 3, that's 3w minus 6. Okay, the rest is just combining the w's and solving for w. So let's do this. So this is going to be 6w plus 19 equals 3w minus 6. Okay, then we can subtract 3w from both sides, and we get 3w plus 19 plus negative 6, and then subtract 19 from both sides, and we get 3w equals -25. Okay, and the last step is divided by 3. Okay, so after we divide by 3, our solution becomes -25 over 3. Okay, now something I didn't mention is that sometimes you might have invalid solutions. Those are solutions or possible solutions. Those are solutions where the number makes the denominator undefined. In this case, we can check that the only values of w that will make the denominator undefined, they're basically here in the LCD, and those so basically the values of w that we don't want to have are -4, -3, and 2. And because our solution here on the bottom is none of those, then we can actually keep this. So our final solution is -25 over 3.